Scottsdale is known for its abundant sunshine, stunning desert vistas, and warm climate. But if your home feels dim or your current windows are outdated, you could be missing out on one of Arizona's greatest perks, natural light. By upgrading to modern window replacements, Scottsdale homeowners can dramatically brighten their interiors, reduce energy usage, and enhance overall comfort and style. Whether you're renovating an older home or just looking for a refresh, here's how modern window replacements can help you make the most of Scottsdale's year-round sunshine. Why natural light matters in your home. Natural light does more than just illuminate a space. It improves your mood, boosts productivity, and even helps regulate your sleep patterns. A well-lit home also feels more spacious and inviting, reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, enhances the appearance of interiors and decor, adds to a home's resale appeal. In a city like Scottsdale, where sunlight is plentiful, maximizing its presence indoors is both practical and beautiful. Common problems with old windows. If your current windows are small, outdated, or covered in film or heavy treatments, they could be limiting how much daylight enters your home. Older windows may also have low visibility due to fogging or aging glass, be poorly positioned to capture the sun's path, feature thicker frames that block more light, lack modern coatings that balance brightness and heat control. Modern window replacements solve all of these problems and introduce more light with less hassle. Best window styles for natural light in Scottsdale. When choosing replacement windows with natural light in mind, consider the following styles that pair beautifully with the desert aesthetic. Picture windows. These large, fixed-pane windows offer uninterrupted views and welcome maximum sunlight. They're ideal for showcasing Scottsdale's mountain or desert scenery while flooding rooms with daylight. Sliding windows. It's perfect for horizontal spaces. Sliding windows offer wide glass panels that let in light and ventilation. They're a great fit for modern architecture and patio-facing walls. Bay and bow windows. These protruding windows extend outward, catching light from multiple angles. In addition to creating a cozy reading nook or plant shelf, they bring in natural light throughout the day. Casement windows. Casement windows hinge open like doors and typically offer larger glass areas with minimal framing, allowing for clearer views and brighter interiors. Energy-efficient options to let in light, not heat. One common concern Scottsdale homeowners have is whether more sunlight equals more indoor heat. Fortunately, today's modern window replacements come with advanced glazing and insulation technology that keeps your home bright without baking it. Look for features like low E, low emissivity coatings to reflect infrared and UV rays, double or triple pane glass filled with insulating gas tinted or reflective glass options to filter harsh light while preserving brightness, smart glass that adjusts tint automatically with the sun's intensity. These upgrades allow you to take full advantage of natural light while reducing your need for blinds, curtains, and cooling systems. Strategic placement for maximum effect. Replacing windows isn't just about size and style, it's also about location. A trusted Scottsdale window installation expert can help you plan window placement that aligns with the sun's east to west path, highlights the best outdoor views, creates balanced lighting in every room, avoids overheating during peak sunlight hours. This kind of thoughtful planning transforms a house into a light-filled, energy-efficient oasis. Final thoughts. Modern window replacements are a powerful way to embrace the beauty and light Scottsdale has to offer. With the right style, placement, and energy-efficient features, you'll enjoy brighter days, better indoor comfort, and lower utility bills. If your current windows are blocking more light than they let in, it might be time for an upgrade. Reach out to a local Scottsdale window replacement expert to explore your options and start bringing more sunshine into your life, naturally.